Guys, today I'm doing something new. My girlfriend, my YouTube buddy Christy from See Me Vlogs and also the Mobile Home Diva wanted me to film when I did my nails. I started doing them, but anyway, this is the Azure Dip Powder Kit. This comes with everything that you would need. It has 8 different colors or dip powders, and it also comes with the base, activated gel top, and brush saver. And this is basically what it looks like on the inside. It has everything that you can possibly need. I did also go ahead and get some nail tips. These are stiletto, and I got some really good glue. I'll put that in the description bar below. But yeah, so we're gonna go ahead and get started. As you can see, I already did one, but like I said, I promised my girl that I was gonna go ahead and film this. And what I did was I took off all my jewelry, went ahead and prepped my nails because, you know, your girl, I can't go to the salon right now like a lot of other people, and I really wanted to do something about my nails, so really overdue. So I went ahead and got that done. After that, I basically made sure that the nail tips were gonna fit each finger. It was very simple. They come with so many in a pack, and in this glue, guys, is awesome. This glue works so well. Really surprised at how well it worked. I just made sure that they were, you know, basically sticking in and holding in really well. And then I went ahead and clipped them down because I do a lot of DIY, so I wanted them at a shorter length. Next thing I do is the base coat. Now, when I first tried this, guys, I went by the directions and it said to just put a little bit where the nail bed and the tip met. As you can see, no bueno. It is not cute. And so I did do it on a 45-degree angle, but it just wasn't working. So this time what I did was I waited, brushed off the excess, and I went back in. But this time I covered the entire nail bed, the nail extension, the tip, and I put it in at a 45-degree angle. And this time it was a little better. It was. But after I shook off the excess and tapped that off and just went ahead and brushed the rest back into the dip pot, there's still a little spot missing. Yes, hunty, it is not cute. So I had to go back again and go ahead and apply it again. But this time, third time, as they say, is a charm. It went a lot better. And yeah, so you just gotta pay attention. That was my second nail. And just make sure that all of it's covered, and then wait the allotted time, and then just brush off the excess. And yes, I did accidentally drop kick my own dipping powder across the island, but you didn't see that. You didn't see that. So by the time I got to the third nail, it was going a lot better. I sort of got the hang of it. I just try to make sure that I didn't get it on my cuticles, and that way you will know you won't have too much to clean up and basically file down later. And it was going a lot better. So as you can see now, I sort of got the hang of it, and it's going a lot smoother, and just making sure that I am dipping it on a 45-degree angle, and I cover it with the base coat. Now I did 2 coats of this because I knew I wanted to go back and do a third coat with the crystal, that really pretty color that I have on my pinky nail with that dip powder. Once again, I have 8 different ones, but I just really want to go with something light. And as you can see, I went ahead, and now after I dipped all of those, put the base coat on, dipped it in the crystal, I'm just going, and it's like a really pretty sparkle on top of that light pink. I'm just going to put the excess and brush it back into the dip pot, and that's it. Next one is, next step is the activator, and this was fun because all you have to do is just apply it. And just make sure that you're not getting it on your skin or your cuticle. Just got to be careful of that, but at the same time, make sure that the entire nail is covered, because this activator step 2 is what hardens the actual nail and preps it and gets it ready for you to file it down and get it into the shape that you want. And as you can see, after about 35-60 seconds or something like that, it's really hard and it's ready to file. And I know some people said it's gummy, but mine wasn't gummy at all. The last step is just adding the gel, and that's the top coat. Just make sure that your nails are cleaned off really well before you apply the gel, so that way it gets really hard. But as you can see, it's so pretty, and you don't even need a UV light or anything. All you need to do is just these steps: the base coat, the activator, and the gel coat. And you see how pretty and shiny it is. It came out gorgeous, absolutely gorgeous. And so as you can see, my other hand is not done, so I do have to go back and do the process on the other hand. I'm right-handed, so I did the left hand first. But actually, guys, you would not believe that I actually did the right hand even better, because I already went through the process, so I knew what to expect. So the right hand actually came out really, really nice. And I did forget to mention that this kit also came with, besides the brush saver, 3 extra brushes, so I forgot to mention that, and that's also pretty cool. So yeah, that's the Azure Beauty Dip Powder Kit. And I'm gonna definitely order another kit eventually, but I absolutely love the way these turned out. So you guys, I'm gonna leave all of this information in the description bar below. Also, don't forget to check out my girlfriend Christy from See Me Vlogs. I'll put her in the description bar below, and she also has another channel, The Mobile Home Diva. Shout out to you. And yes, I did it. Don't forget to like and subscribe and hit the bell for notifications. I would love for you guys to come back and be a part of the family. Don't forget to go ahead, take care of yourselves, stay safe out there, and continue to be blessed. Have a great day, everybody. Love you guys.